in this video we will talk about that how to add light rays in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, we are on the computer screen. First you have to add the layer shape. You can add the rectangle shape. You have to change the color of this rectangle. Change this color to light yellow. Go to effect and choose Gaussian blur. Now go to effect control and convert the blurriness to 225. Now go to opacity and convert it to 30. So as you can see, our effect is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.